Hey guys, this is my 2006 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. It's on 33-inch tires on a cheap rough country lift. We're going to be comparing it to my buddy's level 2019 Z71 Silverado. Downhill, both rigs do well with their longer wheelbases. Smooth and steady descents, no drama. The Jeep in 4-low tackles the first smaller hill with no noticeable slippage, maintains good traction, constant climbing speed. Now the Silverado takes on the same hill, almost immediately loses some traction on the bumps, even with the rear tire tucked in. I believe this is in 4 high, since it doesn't look like the rear is locked up. On the main big hill of this trail, the Silverado goes up, gets real near to the top, but it can't seem to catch traction on the back wheels, it just gets stuck in the rut. After several tries, the Jeep makes an attempt. With no suspension trouble, the Jeep can't catch traction either.
Driver! Passenger!
The Silverado next tries the other side. It's a little steeper, but there's no dig-ins, no ruts. The Jeep was able, in its own power, to throw its weight over the side and to move over to a climbable spot and get all the way over. Now I have nothing but respect for Chevy's new Silverado, but nothing compares to a Jeep. I do plan on redoing the suspension on this LJ to have long arms, a Curry anti-rock sway bar, and eventually front and rear lockers. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Feel free to leave a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a great day.